Deep inside a forgotten warehouse, buried under old tires, rusted tools, and layers of dust, we uncovered a car the world thought was lost forever. A 1932 Bugatti Atlantic, one of the rarest cars ever made, and we bought it for just $1,000. This isn't just a car, it's art on wheels. A masterpiece that vanished from history and somehow survived decades of neglect. The Atlantic wasn't built for practicality. It was bold, dramatic, with flowing curves, an aircraft-inspired design, and a riveted spine running straight down the center. Only a handful were ever made, and most were destroyed or disappeared. Today, a single authentic Atlantic is worth tens of millions of dollars, making this discovery almost impossible to believe. Time had not been kind. The aluminum body was buried under layers of grime. The straight-eight engine sat silent and cold, and the interior felt like a tomb, leather cracked. Wood dried, gauges frozen in place. Most people would have walked away, thinking it beyond repair. But we didn't. We saw the history, the craftsmanship, and the story waiting to be told. Restoration didn't begin with tools, it began with respect. The first touch was water. As the grime washed away, the car slowly revealed itself. Light reflected off the curves. The riveted spine returned to view, and the Atlantic began to wake after decades of silence. Every curve, every detail told a story. This wasn't about making it new. It was about bringing it back to life, preserving its soul. The engine was next. The straight-eight, a marvel of engineering, was carefully dismantled. Each component was cleaned, inspected, and restored to honor its original design. The chassis told a story too, with scratches, dents, and marks from a life once lived. Nothing was erased. Everything was respected. The cabin was revived with the same care, leather treated, wood restored. Authenticity, not perfection, was the goal. Then came the moment of truth. Fresh fuel, a deep breath, and the starter engaged. A pause, and then the engine roared to life, smooth and elegant. Goosebumps ran through the room. This wasn't just a car starting, it was history answering back. We bought this Atlantic for $1,000. Its value today cannot truly be measured in money. Some cars are rare, others are priceless. This one existed beyond numbers. It had been waiting, patiently, to be rediscovered. Subscribe to Deep Vault for more stories hidden beneath the surface. The world is full of legends, still waiting to be found.